Hey guys, this is your artist TolgArt. Today I will make a drawing using the Brush Markers Pro. I did a video with them before where I compared them with the COPICS markers. You can check it out by using the info card right now. I was reading a lot of comments of you guys where you told me that the COPICS markers are way too expensive for you. I think the Brush Markers Pro are a good alternative to the COPICS markers, and I will show you that in today's video. Big thanks to karimarkers.com for providing me with these brush markers. If you're interested in them, go check out the first link in the description box. So I decided to draw Frieza in his final form, which is my favorite. And by the way, which form is your favorite? Write that down in the comments, guys. Okay, let's draw Frieza. And that's Frieza. How do you like it, guys? We are ready to use the brush markers now. What I got here is the 60 markers box, the biggest box they have. The design of these markers is really cool, but unfortunately we don't have any real skin colors. That's why I choose to draw Frieza. We got all the colors we need for him. The brush markers are not alcohol-based markers. That means we cannot really blend them together. That's why I will use the darkest color tone first, and then I will go to the next lighter one. I usually do the coloring the other way around. So, first impression. The tip of the marker is very strong. That's very good to color small details. The colors are very strong and intense. But I think I have chosen the wrong color tone here. 2 violet tones would be enough. And same for the skin. I will use 3 different gray tones. As you can see, I started with the darker tone first. This is very unfamiliar for me, but let's continue. So, a little note. As I said, the colors are very strong, but they do not cover very well. Maybe by using a different paper this would change. So Copic paper are not the best choice if you want to color with these markers. But anyway, we will make the best of it. Okay, we are almost done. The last thing I will do is to use the blender. Let's see if it will work and if it will make a difference. Not a huge difference, but it made the colors a little smoother. And that's it, guys. Now my honest opinion on these markers. Very intense colors, a very strong tip, and the price is reasonable. I think beginners can use these markers very well. Of course, you don't have to make anime drawings with these markers. You can color anything you want. If it's mandalas or little drawing for fun, I think that they would be perfect for something like that. But for an artist like me, they are not enough. I am in love with my COPICS and I will stay with them till the end. But if you're interested in those markers, check out karimmarkers.com. First link in the description box. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these markers, guys. Do you like them? And thumb up the video if you like the variation of videos I am doing for you. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Support your artists and share this video. That's it for today, guys. I see you this weekend with another video. Until then, stay healthy, be fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.